but I saw 3 spotty bananas on the counter and thought, it's time. I was born for this. Banana bread isn't baking. It's a calling. I didn't even Google a recipe. I was like, how hard can it be? Bananas, flour, oven, boom, bread. Then, I started freestyling, eyeballed everything, poured vanilla like I was blessing the batter. Cinnamon, half the bottle, that's flavor, baby. So I baked it at 400 degrees because 350 felt timid. I'm not here to be soft-baked, I'm here to create. Therefore, what came out was not banana bread, it was a banana brick. The top, burnt, the inside, raw, the middle, a gooey swamp of cinnamon and poor choices. It tasted like regret, sweet regret. My friend tried it and said, it's chewy in a bold way. I said thank you, I think. So yeah, next time, I'll read, I'll measure, I'll stop pretending I'm a banana bread prodigy just because I watched one baking video at 2 a.m. The moral? Confidence is great, but recipes are greater, especially when your banana bread could double as a doorstop, bake with heart, and maybe follow instructions. Turns out, baking is a part science, part heart, and zero ego.